So now I'm going to bring to you 3 questions today. And I'm going to say, the first question in this lecture is, what type of digitally assisted or guided implant placement technology is available out there, right? And then the second question, are our treatments better when we use this technology? You know, is there a real clinical benefit for us to use this technology? And then the last question that I would like to propose to answer today is, should every patient be treated with this technology, right? So in this context, in the next 45 minutes, or 42, wherever I have left there. So you didn't start the clock, by the way. I am on borrowed time. Thank you. So I would like to really take you through our rationale for answering these questions that are at the end, the questions that you want to answer for yourself when deciding if you're going to use this technology or not. And I started many years ago. Our first guided case was by 2009, 2010. And I can tell you back then it was really different than it is today. It was kind of like going far, far, far away to do something that we were doing really fast by hand. And we were questioning what was the real benefit of this technology. So let's go with the first question. What is the technology out there in digitally assisted implant dentistry and guided implant placement? And you need to start by looking at this data set